Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at this awesome Jayco Jay Flight bunkhouse unit. It's a 267 BHSW. It's a great unit for the family. Power tongue jack, the bigger propane tanks, a spot for your two batteries because this has a slide, so we give you two batteries, two interstate batteries with that. Now, you do have a huge pass-through. If you come over and take a look at this pass-through, this unit's got great storage. So you got storage here on the front under the bed for the pass-through, and then you've even got more storage over here on the back of the unit. There's a storage here. We already got a shot of that, but close that up. But back over here underneath the bunks where your bunk beds are, you've got another giant area to put all your chairs or your sleeping bags, all your gear, your fishing gear. Lots of storage in this unit. That's what makes it really cool. Now, outside, of course, if you notice, we've got the bigger tires and wheels. They flip the axle on these. This is a Baja edition, so you got better ground clearance. You got the little protection here. Great big power awning, which is nice. Spot to hook up a TV outdoors if you want to. All your connections are right here. Let's go inside and check this bad boy out. Let's start right back here in this great bathroom. Nice little tub shower, porcelain toilet. What's nice about this, someone can be in taking a shower and using the restroom, and then you've got a nice sink here and medicine cabinet. You've got your double bunks here so the kids don't roll off. That's a nice feature. That window's closed up here, but there's a window on both bunks. Great little booth dinette. Lots of windows. A nice couch. Nice TV entertainment center. Great storage. If you look in here, you can fit. Now you can pop these shelves out if you want to use this to hang some clothes or some stuff in here, but you got a ton of storage in this thing. I'll leave that open for a second. Nice big Norcold fridge and freezer. This is a big upgraded fridge. Nice big fridge. It's up off the ground so you can access it a lot easier. That's a nice thing that Jayco does. Of course, Jayco comes with a 2-year warranty as well. Cool little oven, 3-burner cooktop. Nice little cool dish rack here that rolls up and you can stow in a door. This'll, after you wash your dishes, you can sit them up here and dry them. That's kind of cool. Microwave, once again, more storage up here. Then let's hop in here to the bedroom. Nice big bed with lots of storage. Nightstand on each side and great storage up above for blankets or pillows and all that kind of stuff. Really great unit for a young family that wants to get a lot of value for their money on a great unit. Folks, if you're interested in this unit or any other unit here at Guaranty RV, please give me Big Sal a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.